bite a phone case, chew on it, and swallow it? Do you love your gadget so much that you are ready to eat it? Nope. You've just got a new edible phone case. How? Watch it in our new video. Redhead is so absorbed in the game that she doesn't notice her friend. Fortnite Battle Royale building skills and destructible environments combined with intense PvP combat. A player can find unexplored places on the map in a new Battle Royale season, more flights, access to new skins, and a good possibility to get new treasures. Over 100 rewards! Dolly wants to join Fortnite Battle Royale as well. Find the link to the game in the video description. Fortnite Battle Royale is now free to play on PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Switch, and mobile. The game is available in the App Store. Enjoy the most exciting game with altering maps locations, a ton of cosmetic content, and incredible sounds. Feel like a superhero. Complete different activities, find hidden objects on the map, and it will help you rank up your battle pass easier. Complete challenges and unlock new tiers as you gain experience. Thanks to Epic Games for sponsoring this video. Play with your friends in duos and squads. Download the game using the link below. The girls are deep into something. Is it soccer or hockey? No, it's just a new Jelly Maze phone case. We will need a silicone case. Unwind gummy wheels of different colors, separating them into thin strips. Attach a strip across the perimeter of the case using edible glue. Shape a candy maze instead of using colorful strips. Put a candy bead in the puzzle and try to find a way. The girls get carried away with this game. Who will find the exit? The game is getting pretty hard. It's great that the case is edible. Dolly has a meltdown, so she eats an obstacle right away. It's unfair! But Dolly doesn't care. We eat all the maze parts one after another. There are no more obstacles for the ball anymore. And there is still no ball either. My friend and I are racing for the Oreos. Dolly is lucky up to now. She is the first to seize the plate with the cookies. But Redhead is catching up. 1, 2, 3, freeze! It works! Now I need to take a photo of my Oreo victory with my Oreo phone case. Add food coloring to fondant and knead it. Divide it into 2 parts. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the fondant to fit the size of your phone. Cover the phone with plastic wrap and put on the fondant. Place another phone case on top to cut out the camera hole. Turn the phone over and cut off the excess fondant. Take the filling out of the Oreo cookies. Spread it on top of the sweet case, making a thin layer. Smooth out the edges with a knife. Print out an Oreo pattern. Make a mirror image template. Tape a piece of clear plastic on top and fill every blank area in the pattern with hot glue. Roll out the second half of the fondant. Cut out the phone case size piece with a camera hole. Put the fondant onto the Oreo template when the glue hardens, and press it over to get an imprint. Attach the detail to the sweet phone case covered with the Oreo filling, and paint it with food coloring. I take a few perfect shots. My friend will be happy to see them. Want to take a look? Unfreeze! I leave the phone for her, but the last thing I will do is to have a bite of it, because this phone case is edible. Redhead gets a delicious case and the cookies. Double Oreo satisfaction. Earphones are striving to escape from these girls' ears. Dolly's just started dancing, but her personal disco party ends at once. What should she do? She's got an idea. Let's use bubble gum. Cut the label on a Hubba Bubba container carefully. Take out the bubble gum. Make 2 holes opposite each other using a heated awl. Attach the earphone plug into the container through the top hole. Wind the cable around the bubblegum roll and insert the plug into the bottom hole. The earphones are attached nicely now. Hubba Bubba won't let them fall. Put the phone into your pocket and the earphones into your ears and the bubblegum into your mouth and blow the biggest bubbles listening to your favorite music. Dolly enjoys blue cotton candy and Redhead is on her phone. Take a break from it and have a snack. But she can enjoy something sweet even without taking a break from her phone. She just turns it over and bites off an edible pop socket. Add a drop of food coloring to fondant and knead it. Divide it into 2 parts. Shape one into a cylinder and make a circle from the other. Add colorful sprinkles onto the circle. Make the edges of the cylinder wider. Dampen the top with water and attach the circle as a mushroom cap. Use water to attach the pop socket to a silicone phone case. Such an amazing edible phone accessory! Do whatever you want. Hold your phone with it or bite it off. Now the blue cotton candy doesn't seem so cool for Dolly. It only colored her tongue blue, and the sweet pop socket is a different story. Dolly adores playing Tetris. She is ready to switch everything around in the real life. She switches bottles so that they look better. She even turns over her friend so that she fits into the interior better. But Redhead doesn't like hanging upside down. If Dolly loves Tetris so much, she will get a Tetris phone case. Make a Tetris pattern using colored Frutella candies. Attach them to a phone case. Unwrap a candy. Cut off the excess. Put it back into the wrapper. Attach a few candies like this around the camera. Dolly really loves her phone case. She can eat one detail after another and put a candy into her mouth at a perfect angle. Let's eat the candy to celebrate our victories. My friend and I arranged to meet, but she is always late. It's great that I've got a phone case with a candy stash. At least I won't get hungry. Cut 6 candies out of a regular package. Cut off a part of the box to fit the size. And attach the cardboard border. Cut a lid out of the big box. Print and attach a small label. Hot glue the reduced box to the phone case. I take out a candy out of my phone case stash. It will definitely make the time fly while I'm waiting, especially since my friend is still half an hour late. She must have been waiting for me in a different place all this time. I eat one more candy to calm down. They say that sugar makes you calm. I needed a whole box of the candies to calm down. There is only one candy left, and here comes my friend. It's a pity she's gotten so little yummies. Latecomers do not eat candies. My friend has a whole bowl of popcorn. A popcorn championship starts now. We know all the funny ways to eat popcorn. But it's the first time that we see popcorn on a phone. Cut corn on the cob. Cut off the kernels. Soak some gelatin in water to get a thick glue. Attach the kernels to the case. Glue some popcorn to the bottom part. Use the gelatin mixture again. Take out a few kernels and put in the popcorn instead. This case didn't heat up properly. Half of the corn isn't ready yet. But it doesn't stop us from enjoying the snack. We nearly start a fight for the corn case. Redhead even bites the corn. Be careful not to eat the phone. There is a fruit bowl on the table. Let's see what's in here. Oranges, pears, and a flat apple. Oh no, this is a phone in an apple case. Cover your phone with plastic wrap. Roll out white fondant and put it on the phone. Use a straw to create teeth marks on it. Cut out a layer of fondant, shaping the bite mark. Form the bottom part of the apple. Make a hole for a stem with a toothpick. Cut out a camera hole. Cut off the excess fondant. Make holes for the connectors. Paint the phone case with food coloring. Paint the bitten part yellow and cover the rest in red. Take a stem from a real apple and attach it to the case with edible glue. This apple case is so bright and nice smelling. I think it's fondant. Let's try it. I'm right! I can have a snack easily. Take a bite of the creative apple case while you are on social media. Did you like the new edible phone case ideas? Then write in your comments which case you would like to taste. An apple, a popcorn, or an Oreo case. And
do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind, blow your mind, blow your mind.